Hello and welcome. You're watching IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live interactive web television. This is your own platform where you can engage with us as we discuss different issues. You can write into us, you can send us your posts, your audio and video comments. You can join the conversation live just by clicking on a participation button. And of course, you can send us your tweets at #IndiaPostLive and our handle @IndiaPostLive. So, the very famous and the successful combination of Rohit Shetty and Ajay Devgan is back. They are returning with Singham Returns. The question is, will Singham Returns do as well as the first installment of the series? And I can tell you that the film has already created a buzz, and there is a very famous song of Yo-Yo Honey Singh which is also climbing the charts. So first let's take a quick look at this audiovisual, and we are asking you this question: will it do even better than the first installment?
Bollywood star Ajay Devgan is back as Inspector Bajirao Singham in Rohit Shetty's Singham Returns. The sequel to the 2011 blockbuster Singham has already sparked the interest of cinefans even before its opening on the Independence Day. The film is sold out through the long weekend at almost all cinemas across the country. Kareena Kapoor sparkles as the female lead. Fans are also eagerly waiting to watch Kareena, who has become very selective after her marriage to actor Saif Ali Khan. The film song Ata Maji Satakli by rapper Yo-Yo Honey Singh is already climbing the charts. However, the question is, will Ajay Devgan and Rohit Shetty recreate the magic of Singham with Singham Returns?
So what do you think? Will Singham Returns recreate the magic of Singham? Well, you can of course write into us and send us your tweets, but joining me right now we have three online guests who are going to tell me what they think about the film and about the success of the film. First, I can see Vivek. Vivek, hi, welcome to the conversation.
Hi. Thank you.
All right. Let me first introduce all the guests and then we'll ask them one by one. I can also see Purnima. Purnima joins us from Delhi. Purnima, welcome to the conversation and thank you for talking to us on India Post Live. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi. Hi, Purnima.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Hi.
Welcome to the conversation. Okay, I also have Megha. Megha joins us from Jaipur. Megha, welcome to India Post Live. Hi. Are you an Ajay Devgan fan?
Fan.
You're a fan? All right. So we know exactly what you're going to tell us. I'm sure you're expecting Singham Returns to be even bigger. But very quickly, our fourth guest is Ankit Sinha. Ankit is normally known for being a Salman Khan fan. Ankit, are you also an Ajay Devgan fan, or are you going to be less kind?
There's
There's a lot of disturbance, Ankit. I'm not able to hear you too well. Let's sort out the audio issue. Vivek, let me first come to you. All right, Vivek, there's been a lot of buzz about Singham Returns, you know. There is a long weekend, the Independence Day weekend, and the tickets are almost getting sold out. What are your thoughts? Are you an Ajay Devgan fan or are you a Rohit Shetty fan?
No, I am neither.
Okay.
I'm not an Ajay Devgan fan. I'm not a Rohit Shetty fan.
Okay.
But as we know, Rohit Shetty is a blockbuster filmmaker.
Right.
It's guaranteed that Singham 2 is going to make a huge box office collection.
Right.
And Ajay Devgan, seeing him after a long while. So, I mean, after Himmatwala was such a disaster. So, I
Yes.
think Singham 2 will be great.
Yeah, because the first one did, right? I mean, you remember that scene where he had this tattoo on his chest and, you know, what?
Disturbance.
Sorry?
Lot of disturbance.
Okay, there's a disturbance. Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. I'm saying that Singham, the first installment of Singham was a huge hit. I mean, you remember that tattoo on his chest and, you know, that was talked about and all the action scenes were talked about. So, what do you think? I mean, will this installment in terms of, because Ajay Devgan apparently has said that the action sequences here are more realistic and they have been better, you know, they have been filmed better. So, what really can fans of Ajay Devgan and fans of the Singham series and fans of Bajirao Singham really, what can they expect in terms of the action sequences?
I think the action sequences would be much better than the first. But from the trailer, we can also see that similar action sequences are also there. You know, the cars sliding,
Okay.
becoming up,
The
all
impossible
that.
ones.
Possible ones. So we can expect that things also. I don't know how realistic it would get because
All
it's Rohit Shetty. You know, you can see cars flying and
Yeah.
buses flying.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
All right. Let me quickly talk to Purnima now. Purnima, so are you a fan? Are you a fan of Rohit Shetty or Ajay Devgan?
Yeah, I am a big fan of Rohit Shetty. मैंने चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के बाद उसके इस मूवी का बहुत ज़्यादा बेसब्री से वेट किया था कि कब कोई रोहित शेट्टी कोई नई मूवी आए, उसके स्टंट्स, उसके एक्शंस, I love it.
You love it. You think he's total पैसा वसूल?
Not पैसा वसूल, मेरे ख्याल से शायद अच्छा जाए. शायद ही चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दे, कुछ कह नहीं सकते ना.
किसका रिकॉर्ड?
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस.
Okay. And what do you think? You've seen Singham 1? आपने Singham, how many times have you seen the first one?
जब भी वो टीवी में आती है हमेशा देखती हूँ.
Acha, okay, you've seen it quite a few times. So do you think it will break the record of, it'll do better than Singham, the first one?
जितना मुझे मेरा ख्याल है शायद ये उसका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दे, लेकिन बाकी तो बाद में मूवी देखने के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि ये कैसी है.
तो
बट
आपने
हाँ, अगर रोहित शेट्टी की मूवी है तो पक्का रिकॉर्ड तो तोड़ेगी.
रोहित शेट्टी की मूवी है तो रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेगी. अपने ही रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देंगे वो मतलब
जो पहली मूवी थी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की उसको रिकॉर्ड तोड़ देंगे.
अच्छा, no, I was asking of the first Singham. All right, that's all right. What are your expectations about the action sequences? जो प्रोमो देख के, ट्रेलर देख के आपको क्या लग रहा है?
मुझको देखकर तो यही लग रहा है कि शायद ये मूवी अच्छी जाए.
Okay, all right. Megha joins us online. Megha, are you a fan?
Yeah, definitely. I'm a big fan of Ajay Devgan.
So not so much Rohit Shetty, more of Ajay Devgan?
Yeah, more of action heroes like Salman Khan and Ajay Devgan.
What do you think of Ajay Devgan as an actor very quickly? Because, of course, Ajay Devgan is known for his action sequences. But, he has also done some very intense roles like Raincoat. He has acted in Rajneeti. He has acted in Omkara. So what do you think about him as an actor per se?
Okay. I totally find him to be very perfect, as he has inside of all these films, he has also done for Golmaal. And it was not that we could even feel that he is not an action hero. He is fit into each and every role. And especially when it comes to serious role or some action hero role, he's perfect at it.
All right, so he's perfect as series and also comedy, right? The Golmaal series.
Comedy.
All right, so we have a hardcore, die-hard Ajay Devgan fan there. Ankit, what about you?
Yeah, I would just like to say that Rohit Shetty is one director today that he is delivering almost every movie with Golmaal series and the Bol Bachchan, then with Singham. So he's one director, every actor wants to get associated with him.
Mm-hmm.
So I think personally Rohit Shetty is one director, it's a brand, he's himself and he has changed the law of physics. Mm-hmm. So cars flying, so that is what a trademark of a Rohit Shetty film. As the other panelist said, Vivek, that the cars flies and everything. So I guess that's a trademark for Rohit Shetty films nowadays. And with Singham Return coming, so I guess this will earn more. That Singham one just touched 100 crore. So I guess it will cross 100 and 150 in the opening weekend. And one factor for that is Kareena Kapoor for me.
All right, for you, of course, it is Kareena Kapoor. So we got our opening comments from our online participants in the conversation. But let us also find out what the people out there, the movie buffs out there are talking about their expectations of Singham Returns and also their idea of what kind of a filmmaker Rohit Shetty is. Take a look.
Are you planning to watch Singham Return?
Definitely. Not really.
I won't pay to watch Ajay Devgan.
No, I'm not going to.
हाँ जी, फ्राइडे को देखने वाले हैं।
जी बिल्कुल।
हाँ बिल्कुल देखने वाले हैं। हाँ बिल्कुल। हाँ ज़रूर देखना चाहूँगा मैं तो।
The lead actresses in Singham 1 and Singham Return.
Ajay Devgan.
Lead actress.
Actress, okay. In Singham 1.
Singham 1 has some South Indian actress.
No idea.
सिंघम 1 में क्या नाम था उसका? कविता नहीं, कविता तो उसका नाम, कैरेक्टर का नाम था उसमें.
Singham 1, Kajal Agarwal. And Singham 2 is Kareena Kapoor.
Do you think Ajay Devgan is underrated actor compared to Khan?
No, I don't think so. He's a good actor.
The Khans are much more famous and popular than Ajay Devgan.
I don't think so.
No, ऐसा नहीं है.
Do you think Rohit Shetty is the biggest actor at the moment in Bollywood?
Not at all. Yeah, I think so.
अच्छा डायरेक्टर है, सबसे बड़ा डायरेक्टर नहीं बोल सकते उसको.
हाँ, सबसे बड़ा डायरेक्टर तो नहीं है लेकिन एक अच्छा डायरेक्टर है.
नहीं, लेकिन हो सकते हैं.
यस, बिकॉज उसकी जो भी पिक्चर है वो सारी करोड़ों के ऊपर जाती है, 100 करोड़ पार करती है.
सबसे बड़ा नहीं, बट हाँ अच्छा डायरेक्टर है.
Okay, so those were reactions of the people. Unfortunately, many people did not remember Kajal Agarwal's name, the lead female actor of the first series of Singham. And Ankit talked about how the Kareena factor is important to him. Let me also pose that question to Vivek. Vivek, we were discussing a few days back on the success of Kick, Salman Khan's Kick. And a lot of people thought that the film would have probably done better if there was a Kareena or a Deepika in the film, right? So what do you think? The fact that Kareena has made her come back, I mean, she was there in the Golmaal series and now she's come back, with Rohit Shetty and Ajay Devgan for this film. How much of a difference will that make?
I think it will make a big difference. Because Kareena had been considered a good actress and she's a favorite of many people. So I think that should make a difference actually.
Right. And the song, Yo-Yo Honey Singh's song, Aaja Majhi Satakli. Wow, I loved that reaction. Do it again. Thank you. Okay, tell us. No, really, tell us. What did you think of that song?
I didn't think anything of that song.
But the song, Vivek, like it or not, the song is climbing the charts. Come on.
It is Honey Singh, so it is obvious thing that it will. Because there is no
How does he do
Honey
it,
Singh
yeah? How does he do it?
I don't know. I really don't.
All right. So are you going to watch this film because of Kareena, because of Ajay, because of Rohit, because of Yo-Yo? I'm sure not Yo-Yo Honey Singh can be crossed out. Why are you going to watch the film, if at all, other than, for professional reasons?
See, I've watched Singham 2, which is the Tamil version.
Right.
So I like the whole fact of cars flying, to be frank. So I would go and watch for that. And I've started liking Rohit Shetty. I don't know why, but yeah. So I watched for that.
Even the impossible car scenes, even the impossible fight sequences, the flying cars and the sliding, I don't know, trucks or something, everything.
Everything.
Yeah, I think it's entertaining at times, to watch the good guys fight the bad boys. Yeah.
Yeah, you know what to expect from such a movie, so
yeah,
it's fine.
Yeah, but also you talked of the Tamil version. The fact that the first installment of Singham was a copy of a remake of the Tamil version. Singham Returns isn't. It's not, right? So one really doesn't know what to expect, right? Or is it just going to be a bad versus good?
Yeah, and it's clear from the trailers.
Right.
So.
All right. Great. Purnima, let me ask you about the Kareena Kapoor factor.
मुझे करीना कपूर पसंद नहीं, ज़्यादा उसके बारे में नहीं जानती.
आपको करीना पसंद नहीं है?
नहीं.
अच्छा, तो क्यों नहीं पसंद है?
पता नहीं, बस नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे दीपिका को ज़्यादा पसंद है.
दीपिका को ज़्यादा पसंद है. अच्छा, लेकिन आपने वो गाना देखा है YouTube पे या टीवी पे, आजा माझी सटकली?
नहीं.
आपने वो गाना भी नहीं देखा यो हनी सिंह का?
नहीं.
अता माझी सटकली, सॉरी, आई अपोलोजाइज. ओके, ऑल राइट. तो आप अजय देवगन के लिए ही जाएंगी और रोहित शेट्टी के लिए ही जाएंगी मूवी देखने, नॉट फॉर करीना?
नो.
करीना आएगी तो आप पॉपकॉर्न लेने जाएंगी?
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है. अब वो बीच में आएगी तो देखना पड़ेगा ही मूवी को, ऑप्शन नहीं है ना.
All right, great. Megha, what about you? I suppose women don't talk very kindly about other women, is that right?
Oriented movies. Basically, your center point is the hero itself, the actor itself. Kareena Kapoor, she'll have a side role or a supportive role. I don't find that she will be the one who will try to lead or who will change the perception of people according to her, that whether we should go to watch that movie according to whether Kareena is there or not. That cannot be a reason.
Have you
The
seen
reason-
Kick? Have you seen Kick?
Yeah, no, I've seen Kick.
And do you think Kick would have been better if instead of Jacqueline, if we had the Kareena or a Deepika or somebody, a more well-known actor?
It would have been, but I can say that only 10%. I mean, the probability is only 10%.
Okay.
Because I've already told you, in such movies, we generally find that Salman Khan or Ajay Devgan, these
All right.
names are added to the movie.
All right. Ankit, you have already sung your praises for Kareena Kapoor, so I won't have you singing much more praises for her right now, but I will come to you for our final comments. But before that, here is a list of 5 reasons why we think you should watch Singham Returns. Take a look. All right, there you can see the man. Ajay Devgan, Rohit Shetty duo, they have delivered blockbusters like the Golmaal series, Bol Bachchan, and of course the first installment of Singham. That is the reason you should go to see the second one. Ajay Devgan is a 2-time National Award winning actor, and well, of course, as we all know, he's known for delivering breathtaking action sequences. Remember Phool Aur Kaante? Kareena Kapoor is back. Well, not too many people are happy, but many people are. She has worked with Rohit Shetty in Golmaal, Golmaal Returns and Golmaal 3. So Kareena fans, the boys out there, please go and watch this film. Of course, the film is packed with a lot of real actions and stunts. Well, if that wasn't reason enough, you can show your Desh Bhakti about the bad boys fighting the good, or the good boys fighting the bad. I mean, whoever wins, you know. The film releases on the 15th of August, which is India's 68th Independence Day. I don't know how watching Singham 2 is going to really show your patriotism for the country, but we are saying that please go and please watch good defeat evil, and then you can feel all patriotic and Jai Hind about it. Ankit, is that what you're going to do? Are you going to watch the film on 15th itself?
Of course.
Have you booked your tickets? Because tickets are being sold out, by the way.
No. I just confirmed it. So the booking are starting tomorrow morning. So I will book it.
Acha, it's starting tomorrow morning. Okay, I thought pre-book. Well, I thought pre-bookings have already started. But anyway, all right, all the best. I hope you get your ticket. Okay, Megha, what about you? Are you watching it this weekend itself?
Going there.
Where are you
The
going?
movie?
Acha, you're going with your friends, boyfriend,
Yeah.
parents?
No, friends.
Okay, all right. And Purnima, you're not going to watch Kareena, लेकिन अजय देवगन को देखने आप इसी weekend पे जाएंगी?
हाँ, मैंने टिकट पहले बुक करवा ली है.
You've booked your tickets?
Yeah.
Congratulations. Okay, there we have it. A real hardcore fan of Ajay Devgan. All right. I don't see Vivek online. I think we've lost the connection. But there we have it. Singham Returns, already creating a huge buzz. And of course, what a day of release. A long weekend, and the film is releasing on that day. Ajay Devgan and Rohit Shetty combination with the added glamour, the added sparkle of Kareena Kapoor. Thank you so much for watching. The conversation continues on India Post Live. I would like to thank my guests, Purnima, Megha, Ankit, and of course, Vivek. Thank you so much for joining the conversation. Please send us your tweets. Send us your reviews about the film. Most importantly, if it crosses 100 crores, I can assure you we will have another conversation about it. And all of you can take part and tell us what you thought of the film. Do send us your reviews through your audio and video comments, your posts and your tweets. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.